John and David made their own oars, and now they're kayaking. There they go.
Just sinking at the bottom.
Wait, you made me laugh. Why would you mention that? The camera shook hella.
That's like worse than your dad and Lupa.
My dad and Lupa was bad just because Lupa was like trying to jump out. No worries.
Oh my god.
I guess they're trying to go to that lagoon.
It's hella low in the back.
Might as well just... We got a new deck. New wood. Where'd they go?